There is so many good cars out today that it would be rude not to just go for a little drive and make a vlog. So later on we head down to Station Pier and we run into a lady who was secretly filming the cars. I'm guessing she might be annoyed with possible hoons that come through. Trying to secretly film the cars. Obviously a resident. So I'm gonna go for a drive, park up somewhere. I'll bring my long zoom lens, which I've been wanting to try out on a cruise for a while, so I can zoom in on cars like that are further away. Should be pretty cool. The sun is still very high, so there's heaps of time and the lighting's only ever gonna get better. We are in the FG. It's a bit of a harsh dose. So this is the lens I have here, the Sony 70-200. It's gonna allow me to zoom into cars on the freeway. Quick test of the quality. I'm way further away from the freeway now. And there's my car, 2010 FG. Let's go see what other cool cars are out. Nice orange FG Turbo going over the bridge there. It's been absolutely beautiful weather today. And that's what's bringing the cars out. Look at that. What a view. This bird's swooping people. He's swooping me. Why are you swooping me? Look at that beautiful old Ford wagon. If you know the owner, give him a tag. The old Ford, I'm guessing Fairlane or LTD. Nice car. Fairlane gear. I got autofocus on, so you just have to deal with the focus. Audi S3. So what I'm hoping to do is grab a glimpse of the cars coming up the freeway, because there's high volume of traffic, and hopefully I'll catch heaps of good cars up here standing on this bridge. Check out the Lambo. I saw this dude before. Nice. There's an old ute. Old mate coming up on the motorized bike. So from here, this is kind of weird, but I can see the cars coming up the freeway. So if I can see anything cool, then I'll follow it like this. And you guys will get to look at that beautiful Subaru. Who loves an old Mazda RX-8? That's got to be a Territory Turbo. Looks like the freeway cars are being a bit boring. What's going on with that thing? Ute, neat FG. Fucking proper 31. Nice FG there, pulling onto the freeway. There's a quality E-Series XR6 entering freeway. Focus, bro. That's as far out I can zoom as a selfie. I thought this location was going to be good, but I was wrong. Here's something cool. I have no idea what that car is. I usually know, oh, there's a Bentley or something right next to it. I usually know my cars, but look at that. I can freeze frame these for photos if you guys are keen. The old Celica. I saw one of those with Club Reg the other day. Beautiful old Toyota Hilux. Here comes a neat FG Turbo. I really thought with the sheer volume of traffic coming down this way, it was going to be good, but it's just all boring cars. What's this thing here? Chev, what's that, Silverado? Nice. I thought that was an F6, but here's another black FG. Pretty nice car. Here comes a nice clean, what looks like BA GT. Beautiful, nice and clean. Yes. Epic weather, but shame about the boring cars. What are you guys doing? Buy a proper car. Hyundai i20N, I'm guessing. Is that a VZ or VY clubby? Sick. There's my car all the way over there. Gotta go all the way down here and walk over. Let's just hope we don't get swooped by this bird again. All right, I'm back at the car. Try and find a better spot. So I swapped lenses. This one now is like in between what the first one was and the other one. I thought that shot was good, but not. It'd be rude not to film this beautiful E-Series here. Too bad it's gonna be shaky as. Is it a Sapphire? have a look at that beautiful sky. Doesn't even translate through the lens very good. Looks way better in person. What happened, bro? You shaved?
Yeah. I didn't want to look like a terrorist at work.
Uninsured on the whip, kitty, that's pain. Watch me slip out the back gate. Anonymous, that's why I slip on the mask, mate. Obvious. Got me grip pumping mask.
Look at the beautiful king of the road there, the AU Falcon. Let's put a couple of stickers over the rust. Why not?
I'm peeking at the view from the fast lane. No speaking, I just do it through the back pain. And now it's floating with the current. Got some cocoa in the oven, man. I'm rolling up a dozen like. Am I strolling? Am I running up? But no, I'm inconsistent with my goal.
Alright, so we changed spots. Come closer up to Station Pier. Absolutely packed at the moment, as you can tell. Hopefully I can keep up with all these cars and tell you what they all are. Alright, we've got this modified Mazda 3. Here's a proper classy Alfa Romeo. I'm not even sure what model that is. Let me know in the comments section.
Appreciate. They really hold their value, these things. Far out.
S-Class Mercedes. Taking the family home after a beautiful weekend out at the pier. Another nice Mercedes. It's got the red top. SRT Jeep. Beautiful car. Performance SUV.
Could probably tell him, hey, give me one of your other cars and I'll drive it. So.
Kia Cerato GT. There's a nice Audi R8.
Feeding off the roaches that live closely in my fields. Cause sweeping up the souls and seeing oceans isn't real. Scapegoating on my way home. Stay stolen.
A nice Porsche. What kind of Porsche is that? VF Ute. Pretty clean. Ripped it. Nice. Yeah. Nice Rexy. Beautiful Evo. What do you guys think of the blue wheels? Nice GDR. R34. There's a lady here filming the cars. Trying to secretly film the cars. Obviously a resident. So just my opinion, and it's kind of the law too, obviously the residents around there are probably fed up with people hooning through there. It's not a cool thing to do either. There's kids that walk through there, there's pedestrians, families trying to just enjoy a beach stroll. Yes, it is cool to see a car do a burnout, but I don't think that's the time or place to do it. That place there should just be cruise up, park up your car, talk with your mates, have fun. I'm sure a lot of people agree with that too. So this lady filming, and I'm not sure because I don't know her and I can't really judge what the motive is, but I'm guessing that she's kind of fed up with people just acting like idiots around there. Even though 90% of the time I've been there, most people behave themselves. It's just on that little bit when they leave, you know, some people do a little skid, and it's mostly the younger generation, I'm guessing too. So. Well, that was a fun little mini vlog. Probably was super late. Next time we'll come at a better time. I was with the family today, so couldn't really come out earlier, but we did what we could with the time we had. There's a beautiful Kia Carnival just to finish it off. All right, we're still going with Subaru Forester.